Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to open another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box. This is today's gift. This is number 13. Small, but you know what happens when it's small. It's usually mighty, and it has kind of something not quite too hard. It's kind of pliable. And this is present number 13. There we go. Are we ready? All right, let's open this gift and see what fun is inside of it. Yeah, I'm trying to save the stickers too, but not doing so well on that. But that's okay. We ready? All right. All right. Let's see what we got. A little peek. Oh, there's a couple items in here. Here we go. We ready? Here we go. Oh, fun. Okay. Let's see. Anything else in there? Nope. All right. This is a mat scrubber and the Quilt Star logo. Isn't that fun? So this is what you can use on your cutting mats. You know how after you do a lot of cutting, you get little threads in your mat, and sometimes it's hard to get it out. Well, this is a mat scrubber. So you can literally put this between your fingers and scrub those areas of the mat and then get some of that leftover thread out of your mat to help it last longer and make your cuts a little bit easier. Mat scrubber, very good idea. And what is this? It's Chuck. It's another mat scrubber. Isn't that cute? Same type thing. Little blade to hold it and then scrub your cutting mat. Those are adorable. Good job. Those are so cute. Look at that. All right. So this is gift number 13. Very handy accessories here that I will definitely be keeping. And you could have one in each area. Like I do have 2 cutting stations for my project. So I can literally put one of these in each area and not have to wonder where my mat scrubber is, because I did not have one of these until today. And now I have 2. So this is so cool. So I hope you had fun unboxing this gift as much as I have. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow for more fun and more unboxing of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box. This is gift number 13, and tomorrow will be gift number 14. Have a wonderful day, and until I see you tomorrow, happy stitching. Bye-bye.